Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Finance Today. We're talking about how you can start flipping items for quick profits and eventually grow it into something that could lead you to financial freedom. Flipping is a great entry point into the world of business, especially if you're working with a small budget but want to build something big. So if you're interested in turning small money into long-term wealth, stick around. And don't forget to subscribe if you love videos on finance, business, and investing. 1. Why flipping is a great start to financial freedom. Let's begin with why flipping is an amazing starting point. Flipping is all about buying things at a low price and selling them for a profit. It's simple and doesn't need a huge investment to start. Plus, it's a flexible side hustle you can work around your schedule. With some basic knowledge, you can start generating extra income almost immediately. For instance, you might find a unique lamp at a yard sale for $5 and sell it online for $50. That's a $45 profit. This type of business teaches valuable skills in negotiation, market research. 2. Where to find the best items to flip. Now let's talk about where to find the best items for flipping. You can start at thrift stores, yard sales, estate sales, or even your local discount stores. Online platforms like Facebook Marketplace. When you're new, focus on items in good condition that can sell easily, such as small electronics, collectibles, furniture, or limited edition items. Take a quick look on sites like eBay to see if there's a demand and to check prices. 3. Listing your items to sell. Once you've got your items, it's time to list them. High-quality photos are key. Make sure you capture the details and write a clear, honest description. A well-presented listing can make the difference between a quick sale and a long wait. Pro tip: great photos and descriptions sell faster. Platforms like eBay, Amazon, or Walmart are ideal for reaching a larger audience. Remember to check the platform fees so you can price your items accordingly. The goal is to cover those costs while making a profit. Scaling your flipping business. Once you're making some regular income from flipping, you might wonder, how do I scale this? Start by reinvesting some of your profits into higher value items. Instead of buying something for $10 to sell for $30, look for items in the $50 range that could sell for $150. With experience, you'll be able to identify items that yield a better return on investment. Scaling could also mean flipping items in new categories like collectibles or niche goods. The more you reinvest, the more your profits will grow. Transitioning from flipping to investing. Once your flipping business is generating a steady income, it's time to look at the bigger investing. While flipping provides cash flow, investing helps build wealth in the long run. There are a few great ways to start, including stocks, real estate, or even investing in yourself through courses and education. Let's break down a few popular investment options. 1. Stock market. Low-cost index funds, or ETFs, are a great place to start if you're new to stocks. They offer diversification and are ideal for long-term growth. 2. Real estate. Once you've built some capital, consider investing in rental properties. Real estate can provide passive income and build equity. 3. Building a small business. If you love flipping, consider starting an online store or scaling your flipping business into a brand. 6. Setting financial goals. It's important to set clear financial goals, especially when aiming for financial freedom. Think about what financial independence looks like for you. Maybe it's the ability to retire early or start a business. Having goals keeps you motivated, whether that's saving a specific amount, investing regularly, or building passive income streams. Make a financial plan and revisit it regularly. 7. Building passive income streams for financial freedom. Ultimately, financial freedom is achieved by having passive income streams, income that doesn't rely on you working every day. This could be dividends from your stock investments, rental income from real estate, or even digital products if you create content or online courses. When you reach a point where your passive income covers your living expenses, that's true financial freedom. And it all starts with taking small steps, like flipping, and building from there. So that's a roadmap from flipping to achieving financial freedom. Remember, you don't need to make a huge investment to get started. Just start small, keep reinvesting, and don't be afraid to learn and grow. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'd love to hear about your flipping stories or any questions. Until next time, happy flipping and investing.